Welcome students. Today we are starting with another topic, that is Kabaddi. So well students, you all know about Kabaddi. What is Kabaddi and how Kabaddi is being played. But about detailed information we will go through with this lesson to understand. Lesson number 1.5, a Kabaddi match. The school sports meet was scheduled next month. The practice match has already begun. 9P were the favorite as they had strong players in their team. The Kabaddi trial were on. This year there were 3 new students in a class 9th. To everyone's surprise, they proved to be an outstanding players. 9th A's Hope scored. Well student, every school is having a sports day, right? So this school is also being playing a deciding for a sports day. So schedule, first of all the meaning of the schedule is plan, date and time for the sports. Okay, so we will start. Now every year they used to play a Kabaddi match. For mostly Kabaddi matches played in the standard for 9th and 10th. So every year 9B used to win the match. So that's why 9B was a favorite for them. So but this year 9th A has got 3 new students in their class, and the 3 new students wanted to prove themselves, so they played very well in the first match itself. Scored means they made themselves rise front of other students' eyes. Okay, we will move on to our second paragraph. When the match started, all the speculators clapped and boosted the morale of both the teams. 9th won the toss and sent their raider Govin. He was so swift that before the opponent released it, he had touched Suresh from 9B and was already heading home. A point was scored. Now in this paragraph, first of all, I will tell you the meaning of speculator. Speculator means audience, the audience who are sitting to watch the match. Meaning of boosted is cheer up, means we cheer up the teams to win the match. Mori means to give strength and support. Shift means moving. Opponents means opposite player. So this paragraph is telling before we start any match, the toss has been held, right students? For every match they take a coin and they do the toss. The toss has been done, and in toss 9th A won the match. So now they have sent their raider to play match. That raider was Govin. The match has started. What happened? Govind went inside to play and he touched Suresh from 9B, and he have reached his home back also, and he scored a point. He went and he touched and came, and they were surprised to see that they even didn't knew that he came and touched the Suresh, and he left back to heading home, and like that 9 they have scored the point. Ravi from 9B was a very strong player. He alone was sufficient to catch hold of any player so tightly in between his legs, twisted like scissor, that releasing oneself from his grip and was to next. Now this paragraph means that there was a one student from 9B. He was a very strong player. Means he was a very strong player that if he hold anyone, so that person can't come easily out from his catch. Twisted means means we are keeping legs like a scissor, and in between we are holding anyone. It's called a twisted. And grip, to hold it tightly. So he has caught like a scissor, and one can't come out from that very easily. Impossible, all the players were literally afraid of him. This egg player had won many matches for 9B. With the support of Mohan and Vinod, 9B were unbeatable. Now everyone used to get scared to play with this 9B, because this boy Ravi was so strong that if he catch anyone, that person can't come out easily. Literally meaning is exactly everyone was afraid to play with him. This Ek means extremely good, means he was good player also. He know how to hold, how to play and how to defend. So anyone used to everyone used to get scared of him from, and 9B used to win the match because of Ravi. And with him there were two more players from 9B, was Mohan and Vinod. This all player was unbeatable. Unbeatable means cannot defeat, means they easily don't lose any match. It is tough competition with him, with them to play. Okay. Mangesh from 9th A was also strong. He was a good match for Ravi. Ravi was relaxed as he had never dreamed of any strong opposition from any team. When Mangesh was wrestled down by Ravi and his friends, everyone in speculator thought that 9th A would lose Mangesh, but Mangesh proved his mettle. He was on ground with the anti-raider catching hold of his waist and leg. Now, another match was going to start. So, for a match for Ravi, there was a boy in 9th A, and that boy was Mangesh. Even he was strong player. He also never lost a match, but this player were new for them. So now the match was started. Ravi thought, never has thought that there will be any same position player for him that will be same like him. And the match started. Mangesh was wrestled down, means he was confident that he has to defeat Ravi. And his friend also, every speculator thought that now that 9th is going to lose the match, even Mangesh also, because Ravi has twisted him in between the legs. But with a confidence, what Mangesh did, he proved his mettle, means his smartness. He showed that mettle means smartness. And what he did, he holded his leg. He was on ground with the anti-raider coaching hold, and he wasted up his back and leg, and he tried to remove himself out. Slowly he inched toward his court. All the anti-raiders with all their mights were trying their best to pull him back. But with the great determination and without losing his breath, Mangesh successfully touched the middle line. There were cheers in the air. Now already Ravi has twisted him in between the leg, and with that the other players of 9B were pulling him back, that he should not touch any of the line, that he should not go back to his heading home. But with a great smartness and determination mean is firmness, mean with the perfect hope, with the perfect confidence. He don't wanted to lose a hope. So what he did, without losing his breath, he kept his breathing in a proper position, in a holding hand. By moving little by little, he went and touched the middle line. If you touch the middle lines, means you are safe. And he touched, and the player who were holding you, they can get out. So by touching the middle line, what happened, all were shocked, and they got cheers up, means well done, like that. Cheers up were in the air for 9th A. He had not only saved himself but was able to score 3 points for his team, as Ravi, Mohan and Ajinkya, who were holding him, were also declared out. Because of his touching in the middle line, Mangesh has touched the middle line of the game. So because of him, he saved himself, and with that he scored a 3 points for his team also, because already Ravi has twisted him, and with him Mohan and Ajinkya was pulling him back to their home, that he should not touch the line. But by the intelligentness, he tried to touch the middle line, and by that the holding person has got declared out. Now 9B begins to play cautiously. Mihir, one of their raiders, even managed to tag Soham in 9th A. Nothing must happen in next few raids. Now it was Vivek's raid. He always played with the Stagiaries, and they worked fine. The remaining 3 players from 9B trapped Vivek. He slowly moved towards his court. The 3 anti-raiders also moved with him. When they caught his arm and were trying to pull him back, Vivek slipped his leg behind the middle line, with the anti-raider still hanging on his arm. Oh, the whole of 9B was declared out. Now here what happened, Mihir came to play from 9B of the raider, and he was in a mind that he has to tag Soham from 9th A. But nothing happened such what he has decided to do. Now it was a turn of Vivek read. So Soham went and Vivek came to play. But Vivek used to always play with a strategy. Strategy means achieving plans. Means he used to decide and play that how he has to play, and that always used to work fine. Now, what 9B decided? They decided to trap the Vivek, but nothing happened like that. What happened? They slowly moved back toward his court, and three of the anti-raiders from 9B went and holded him. But with the intelligence, what Vivek did, he slipped his leg behind the middle line. With leg, he touched the middle line. By touching the middle line, the anti-raiders who were holding or pulling the Vivek Vivek, what happened that 9B anti-raiders was declared out. The people 3 who was there in 9B, they also were declared out. 9th A had actually managed to get 3 more bonus points of Lona. It was an icing on the cake. What an uneven score. It is the head of 9B reeling. Now here what happened, 9th A has actually managed 3 more bonus point of Lona. Lona means extra points which we get. So already 9th A was in a points, they were scoring points. Now for them it was like how we do creaming, icing on cake, means we do the decoration on cake. So like that icing on the cake has been said. And what was uneven score means they didn't expected that they will score like this match. And in that 9B was relieving, means they were already in anger what to do. After the half-time break, the star players of 9th A were full of confidence. Once again, they managed to catch hold of the 8 raiders. Mohan, Ajinkya and Ravi, 9th A outplayed 9B in all the areas of Kabaddi. Their team spirit, their confidence, their strategies, their swiftness, suppleness helped them to beat 9B who had never tasted defeat earlier. Now here what happened? Every teams get 2 times to play. One time is half time break, like that. So now after half time break, all the star players of 9th A, means now 9th A is already was in full of confidence. Now they are going to win any of the way. They are going to win the match. Now once again they managed to catch and hold the 8 raiders. Means now their next time has started to play the match. And here Mohan, Ajinkya and Ravi from 9B was already in anger that they have to win the match. So 9A outplayed with 9B in the area of Kabaddi. So they decided now 9B has already decided anyhow they will win the match, and 9A also were in hope that they are only going to win the match. But the team spirit and the confidence of 9th A, the suppleness and stiffness. Stiffness means speed, means with the speed level of playing, and suppleness means their flexibility, how to play, that help them to win the match. And like that they beat it 9th B, means 9B has lost the match and 9th A has won the match. So 9B has never tasted a defeat earlier, means they never ever has lost the match, but this year 9th A has win the match and 9B has lost the match. Kabaddi is an Asian sport. It is originated in India and has now become popular in many countries, so that many international events are organized. In this event, international rules are followed, but several other Kabaddi styles such as Sanjeevani, Gemini, Amar, etc. are followed in different parts of India. Now everyone know that Kabaddi is an Asian game, right? It's played all over the world, but it is originated, means this game has started in India from India, and now it is popular in all over the world, in all over the countries. So this is the international event are organized, means it is played in an international level. There are some rules are followed, but several other Kabaddi styles. There are some other Kabaddi styles also, such as Sanjeevani, Gemini and Amar. These are the different styles of Kabaddi to be played, and these games are followed in different parts of India. Not every, but in different few parts of the parts in India these games has been followed. In Kabaddi, 2 teams of 7 members each faces each other in a flat triangular court divided by a middle line. The game is usually played in 2 halves with a half-time break in between. After the break, the team exchanges the sides in the court. Now in this lesson also we heard about half-time match. Half-time or break time means one time. If we are playing a kabaddi, so in kabaddi both the teams are having 7 members will be facing each other, means one in the A group, so one in the B group. After the break time, what they do, they change a position. The people who are standing in the B, they will come in A, and the people who are standing in the A, they will come on B. Like that they change the position, means they change the position of the team, nothing else. And this match is played in a rectangular court, means the kabaddi is played on a rectangular box inside the rectangular shape. To play the game, each team sends the raiders across the middle line to the other team. The raiders try to tag the opponent and run back to his side, all in one breath. To show that hasn't inhale again, he has to chant kabaddi kabaddi all the time. If he has to inhale again, he has to out. The opponent try to catch the raider and stop him going back to his half till he loses his breath and has to inhale again. If the raider managed to go back successfully, all the person has to tag, and all those who has touched him are declared out. For each player declared out, the opposite team scores a point. If all the 7 players in the teams are out, the opposite teams get bonus point, a lona. The team with the maximum point wins the match. Now when the raider starts the match, when they go in the opposite team to out the any of the raider or to out the team, he has to keep on chanting kabaddi kabaddi, means he has to keep on telling kabaddi 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 without inhaling, means he should not take a breath, he has to keep on telling kabaddi. If he stop telling kabaddi, means he is out from the game, and if he wants to take a breath also, if he stop, then also he is out. And without stopping, he keep on telling kabaddi kabaddi, and with that he out any of the member. So the member who is been touched by that raider, so that person is been out, or otherwise the person who is holding or going to catch him, and if he has touched the middle line of the game, so that person who has holded him, that persons all are being declared out. So like that they have to play, and the person whom they are touching or the team, so like that they get a lona. Lona means a bonus or extra point which they get, and the person who win the maximum points, finally that teams win the match in kabaddi. The game of kabaddi requires good health, muscular strength, strategic skill, lot of practice, and above all a great determination. Indian girls and boys have always excelled at kabaddi. Would you like to be an kabaddi player when you are little older? Who knows, if you make resolve now, one day you may help to win glory for your school, district, or even the state and country. Now, we all know that kabaddi is being played by girls also and boys also. So there is no determination in this that girls can't play kabaddi or boys only can play kabaddi. Both the male or female can play the kabaddi. But for the kabaddi you require a good health. Good health means healthy body, strong muscular muscle strength, and skills how to play, what will be the challenge, how to out the front person, what is the technique, rules, regulations, everything he has to practice. With that you need to practice it lot with a great determination without getting irritated, frustrated. He has to practice this match very well. Once then, if you practice and if you want to become a kabaddi player, so start from now, and finally one day even you will be able to reach to the goal, and even you can win a match for your school, district, or even for the state and country. So if you want, so you should start practicing kabaddi from now onwards, so you can be one day well competitor in the kabaddi match.
So here we have completed our lesson, a kabaddi match. Thank you.